So I was sitting in an empty house with no piano, wondering if I'll ever be doing piano tutorials again. Hey, I'm Nia Neske, and I've been doing piano tutorials for like the past 4 years, maybe more, maybe less, I can't remember. And you might have noticed that I haven't been like posting new tutorials for the past, I don't know, like I think the last time was probably at the beginning of the year, something like that. It's been a while. And some of you guys reached out and asked like why I'm not posting, what happened, and if I'm going to be posting more piano tutorials in the future. And the answer is I don't have a piano. So really there's nothing for me to kind of like record tutorials on. And what happened is that actually our family has moved cross country. So we moved from like one part of United States to the complete other. So that's been kind of a crazy transition. Plus we have 2 girls and a baby. So there has been a ton of transitioning. And actually we're still sort of in construction zone because we're kind of remodeling the place, and it was a pretty big move. We had to like sell some of our things, and unfortunately I had to sell my piano. And if you guys are on my email list, you guys probably heard I got like this really beautiful piano and I painted it ivory. So it was like such a beautiful statement piece. It was so, you know, it made the most beautiful sound and it was beautiful in itself. I loved it so much. But unfortunately I had to like sell it. It was bittersweet because I sold it to one of my students who learned to play piano from like the very first lesson. It was like so cool. But at the same time it was kind of sad because, you know, when we moved here, it was like 2 months of living here with no piano or guitar. That's like such torture for me because like I had so many moments during this transition time where I just wanted to sit down, just worship, just play guitar, play piano, play something, and all our stuff was packed away and we had no piano. So it was kind of sad, to be honest. I just talking to God about it. He's like, it's okay, just acknowledge that I'm here, you know. And you know, I've had just moments with him like that, just where he's like, hey, I'm near, you know, I'm here. But really missing that time when I just like get to play and just soak and pray and stuff. So definitely miss having a piano, definitely miss having, you know, any musical instruments, but I just found my guitar and all our stuff. So I've been doing that with the guitar. Anyway, sorry, I'm kind of making this long, but I just wanted to let you know that I am looking for a piano and I want to hear from you. What kind of piano do you have? Do you have an acoustic piano, like a real string piano? Or do you have electric keyboard, and what kind do you have? Share with me pros and cons, I don't know, if you want to. And I will be here for like another 20 minutes just checking through the comments and replying. So that'll be kind of fun. And hopefully I'll be getting a piano soon. So let me know what keyboard you have and I will be hanging out here.